Hey guys, it's Nabil from Topaz, hope you're doing well. This is the fourth video of the 5-part series, and behind me is the Porsche 918. Now, it's not just a normal 918, this is a very bespoke 918. It's just come back from the factory after having some very unique parts put on it. And that's why you probably won't see a unique car like this in the streets, because it's just very bespoke. Now, before I get into that a bit more detail, I want to show you what we've done to the car. So this car's already been worked on, it's already been done. We didn't have enough time to record it in between, but you may have noticed the last 3 videos have been basically all white cars. And the reason why is because I'm leading up to this video. After I show you the car, I'm gonna give you a little teaser of what it's been like having these cars with us. And then the next video is going to be the surprise video, and that's going to come a bit later. But enough me talking, let me show you this car and let me show you what we've done on it. So, regards to detailing PPF, we've obviously detailed it, we've put paint protection film on it, but with the detailing we've gone really deep. We've made sure that all the imperfections in the paintwork are absolutely gone. We've made sure that anything that is gloss really has a high gloss factor, including all the interior parts. So all the interior carbon has all been polished up, has all been paint corrected, and anything on the exterior that is glossy has also been paint corrected. After detailing, we've gone straight to paint protection film, where we've gone around and put paint protection film on all the exterior parts. Now, the cool bit is that before, we never used to be able to put the bonnet in one single piece of film. Now, because we have 72-inch material, we're able to do that, and it looks much better. So for example, on this area here, we used to have a seam just down here, but now, as I stated before, you're able to have it seamless, which is great. So there's a new design on the bonnet. We also redesigned the front bumper to make sure the coverage is even better than before. Have a look at detail on the badges. There isn't any way of seeing that there is film there. That's the detail we'll go into to make sure that the patterns are absolutely perfect. Now let's quickly talk about why do you need paint protection film. And I haven't mentioned this in the last videos because I'm just letting you enjoy the video of us putting the paint protection film and detailing the cars. But with this, let's go through a bit more detail. Now, paint protection film was obviously originated from the army to protect the helicopter blades from debris. That's obviously moved into the automotive industry, it's gone to racing, gone to mainstream, so that you can actually apply it onto your cars and protect the paintwork. Now, the thickness of paint protection film is about 200 microns. Most of the time you have about 70 microns to 80 microns worth of clear coat, so you're actually nearly tripling the amount of protection you have for your paintwork. Anyway, that side, it's really important because if you chip the car, if the car does get damaged, you're able just to peel it off without having to go to the body shop and to redo the whole thing. Because matching some very specialist paints, I mean, this is not too bad because it's a standard white. The LaFerrari, if that had to be painted, it's extremely difficult to be able to paint. So talking about the interior, as you can see, it's got a very unique color interior, which is like what I love about it. And also small details, and it's all about the detail with this customer, and that's what I love, is the houndstooth inserts. And also, if you have a look at the black chrome that is around the vents and also around all the other details, like for example around where the windows go down, and even where you're supposed to put your harnesses through, the harness hoops, they're also in black chrome, and I think it just really looks stunning. So we've talked about this car. Now, from the videos that you've seen, you've obviously noticed that all the cars are white, and all of them obviously have been sent over from Saudi Arabia. Now, the cool thing is, the little surprise in the Easter egg is I've got all of them here. Have a look at this. I mean, this is just like mind-blowing stuff. You've got obviously the 918 here, you've got the Pagani Huayra Roadster, you've got the LaFerrari Aperta, and then to finish off, you've got the Koenigsegg Regera. I mean, these are the type of moments that make me feel so proud to be part of Topaz, and make me feel so proud of the team who are making all this possible, because we're producing this kind of quality work where people appreciate it all over the world. They send their cars over from Saudi Arabia, come over here to get worked on, to then go back there. It really is a humbling moment for me, seeing these cars here. And I hope you've enjoyed the journey so far. There's still one more episode of this series, and I'm not going to tell you what the car is, as usual, but it's really a really special car. Like these aren't special enough, right? But so I wanted to just show this to you, have a look at them, enjoy it, Please make sure you like, share, subscribe. If you like what you see, comment down below and tell me what you'd like to see more of. But just from me, from the team at Topaz, I really thank you for continuing your support to us, and I thank especially B14 for sending these cars over and allowing us to work on his beauties. Thank you.